rockers! Have you ever struggled to learn songs on the guitar? Feeling overwhelmed by all the riffs, techniques, and progressions? The LLAP practice method is designed to take your playing to the next level. Listen, learn, analyze, and perform. A simple, structured way to master any song or riff efficiently and effectively. Phase 1. Listen. Every great guitarist starts by training their ears. Before you even pick up your guitar, immerse yourself in the music. Here's how. Step 1. Listen to the original song to get a feel for the structure, rhythm, and phrasing. Step 2. Follow along with the tablature, charts, notation, etc., as the song is playing. Step 3. Watch live performances to see how the artist plays it in real time. Step 4. Listen actively. Pay attention to intricate details like key changes and subtle nuances. Phase 2. Learn. Now that you've absorbed the song, it's time to break it down and learn the technical parts. Step 1. Analyze the song's tablature, chord charts, or notation. Step 2. Break it into sections, such as intro, verse, chorus, and bridge. Step 3. Practice each section separately, breaking down each section into even smaller sections. Start slow and gradually increase speed. Step 4. Work through tricky parts by using targeted exercises and drills. Step 5. Piece everything together and play through the full song. Phase 3. Analyze. You've got the notes down, but now it's time to fine-tune your playing. Step 1. Record yourself playing the song. Step 2. Listen back while following along with the tablature. Step 3. Identify inconsistencies in timing, tempo, or technique. Step 4. Write down problem areas and target them with specific drills. Phase 4. Perform. Now, it's time to bring it all together and play with confidence. Step 1. Rehearse at a comfortable tempo, ensuring smooth transitions. Step 2. Gradually increase the speed until you match the original recording. Step 3. Focus on dynamics, articulation, and expression to make the song your own. Step 4. Play along with a metronome or backing track to simulate a live performance. Step 5. Record yourself, share it, and get feedback to keep improving. That's the LLAP practice method. Listen, learn, analyze, perform. Follow this system, and you'll master any song or riff with confidence. Ready to take your guitar playing to the next level? Start practicing now. For more, visit rockstarguitaracademy.com.